आज का हमारा टॉपिक है velocity. Measure of displacement covered with the passage of time is called velocity, denoted by v. Average velocity is the net total displacement divided by total time. Unlike speed, the average velocity can be positive and negative depending upon the sign of displacement. Intensity velocity. Things in motion often have a speed direction. The velocity is the velocity for very short time interval very small. Such time limit equal to zero. Distance time graph. The graph pulled between distance and time is called distance time graph. In this graphical analysis the distance is plotted along vertical and time long horizontal. Distance time graph is always in the positive plane as with the passage of time. Distance never to negative. The slope of distant time only gives speed. Consider the motion of the object which covers a distance of some meter in 10 seconds. The slope of distance time graph will given speed equation 2.10 can be written as speed time graph. The graph between speed and time is called speed time graph. In this graphical analysis, the speed is related along time, long vertical and time long horizontal. Speed time graph is useful for two slope or graph give magnitude. Area under the graph give distance traveled. The slope of speed time give magnitude of acceleration. Consider the motion of the object which speed up from 8 minutes is 4 seconds. The slope of speed time graph will give magnitude of acceleration which can be write as since acceleration is a change in velocity with respect to time, therefore change in speed which is respect to time will only give magnitude of acceleration. Area under speed time graph represent the distance traveled. When we speak of the area under a graph, we are not talking about the literal number of square centimeter of paper, but the quantity under. From equation 2.1, the speed is defined as speed distance. The above equation can be written as distance is equal to speed. The distance, the quantity in speed time graph is represented as area under the curve. For example, if we want to calculate the area of rectangle shade region for a rectangle, mathematically is length over speeding and motion motorcycle accident equal to the equal to n at least 6 million more people will die and 60 million will be injured driving the next 10 years in a road accident all our world. If proper preventive measures are not taken, traffic rule violation and lack of road safety in it is required that about 70% of the accident were just due to the usually and driven that you are speeding and warning or talking. If yourself ever safety stand before driving, remember the word spending thrills but killer.